Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review QwikBanners. It's a content marketing tool, and by using this tool, you can create banner images in very small amount of time. See, they're saying that the quickest banner maker for your display campaign. So if you run display ads on Google, on Facebook, on Instagram, then this tool can be helpful for you. And as you can see, they are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. Its pricing is 59 USD and one code is enough for everyone. But this deal is non-refundable. So before purchasing this tool, you have to think it that this deal will not be refundable. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard. But before that, see, this tool has gotten 22 reviews on AppSumo, and the reviews are almost 4.5 star. So I think the tool is good, guys. Now let's go to the dashboard. See, guys, this is the dashboard. There have a display banner creator and social media ads creator. So this social media ad creator is still under development, so we will not explore this one. We will explore this display banner creation tool. So just click here, create display ads, and then here you will get a lot of categories. See, they have lifestyle and fashion, software categories, gadgets, ebooks and white papers, education, insurance and finance, automotive, webinar, health, body care, real estate template, food and beverage template, black friday template, travel template and service template. Now from here, let's say I will choose one. Let's say I will choose one real estate template. So if I search a real estate, see guys, these are the real estate templates, and from here, let's say I will pick this one. So I'll just click on the banner that I like, and then see here you will get all the banners that people need. Basically, see, they have different dimension: 300 by 250, 336 by 280, 728 by 90. So a lots of aspect ratio and a lots of dimensions are available. So these dimensions are basically need in Google ads, I think. So you can use these ads. Now let's say you want to change the background color. It's possible from here. Just click here and select your color, then see the background color has been changed. Everyone's background color has been changed. You can also search stock image if you need. Let just enable this option. Let me enable, and let's say here you want one mention. So if I search here mention, see here you will get this mention photos, and you can search the stock images from pixels and pixabay basically. So let's say from here I will use this one. So I'll just click here and then see, boom, the images has been changed in one click. And let's say I will choose this one. So just one click and see it has been changed. I hope you get idea, guys. In this way, in one click you can change the image. In one click you can change the background color, and then here if you want to add your own background image, it's also possible. Just click here and upload your background image, and then they have background blend mode. You can make it normal, multiply. See, here is the multiply, then screen, here is the screen option, then overlay. And so lots of functions are available here. You can use anyone that you like. Let's say I will keep it like multiply. Let's say I'll keep it like that. Okay, normal is good. I think normal is looks good, so I'm keeping it normal. And if you want to upload your logo, just click here and upload your logo. Let's say this is your logo. So select your logo and see the logo has been added here. In every image, automatically the logo has been added. I hope you get idea. You can change the button color. As you can see, here is the button color. If you want to change the button color, it's also possible. Let's say I'll make the button color red. Okay, so let me change it. Now see, the button colors has been changed. Or let's say I'll keep it yellow. So just select your color and the colors will change. Similarly, you can change the button text color and button border radius. As you can see here, the radius is increasing, and this is the border radius. I hope you notice, guys, here the border radius has been increased. Now let's say you want to decrease it. Just decrease, see, the border radius has been decreased. I hope you get idea. If you want to add new call to action, you can add, let's say visit, and see the call to action has been changed. Let's say I'll write like visit now. See, real time change here, guys. I hope you get idea. And here you can add heading text. Let's say I will give heading text like get quick banner lifetime deal. Let's say this is my text. and see this text will be added here. If you want to keep it, then write it, but let's say I do not want it, so I'll delete it. And you can change the heading color. You can here give paragraph. You can change the paragraph color. Let's say as paragraph I'll write one text. Let's say I will write like meet quick banner, so I will paste it here, and see here meet quick banner has been added here, meet quick banner. And you can change the position from here, guys. Everything is changeable. I'll show you after some time. And you can change the text color. Let's say I'll keep it this color, maybe not this color. Let's say I'll keep it red, and see the text has been changed. And then they have font theme. You can change different theme, guys, from here. See, different themes are available here. You can change it from here. I hope you get idea. Now let's say you want to change the size of your logo. It's possible. Just drag and drop, and then your logo size will be changed. You do not want to keep this logo here. You want to keep your logo here in this place. It's also possible. Everything is drag and droppable, guys. You can keep any option in anywhere. I hope you get idea, guys, about these functionalities. You can change everything from here. You can change the logo position. You can change the writing position. So everything is changeable. I hope you get idea. Okay, here let's say I will make it bigger, and then here I will drag and drop it. Everything is possible, guys. I hope you get idea. Here everything you can change. And after changing everything, after editing everything, if you want to download it, what you have to do, just click here on this download option, and then it will be downloaded. See, guys, the download has been done. Now if I open it, see, here is the image. So here is the image, guys. I hope you get idea, guys. Very simple tool, very easy to use tool. And now if I go to dashboard again, this is the display creation option. Now if I click here, create social ad, then let's see what it provides us. See, here are the social ads option, and here you can select different template. Basically, let's say I'll select from here this one, the third one. If I just click here on any template, then it will redirect you to this template. And similarly, from here you can change background color. You can change overlay background color. Let's say I'll keep the background color like this color. I like this color. And okay, and there don't have any background, that's why it's not changing. Let's say I'll keep it like that, and then it will be changed. And you can search stock image. You can change these images from here, and you can upload your own image. You can upload your background image. You can change the opacity of your image from here. Let's say, see, here is the opacity 0, and if I change it like that, here is the opacity increased. You can change the image blend mode. You can upload your own logo. You can add here heading. Let's say I'll add heading like this, meet quick banner, and see, here is meet quick banner. And you can drag and drop every functionalities from here. You can change the position of every logo. You can change the position of text, image. Everything is possible, guys. I hope you get idea. And from here you can download the image for Instagram, for Facebook link, for Twitter post. So if you just click here, then it will be resized automatically. I hope you get idea. Just let's say I want to download it for Facebook post. So here is the template. Now if I just click here download, it will be downloaded. So the download has been done, guys. You have to unzip this zip file, and then you will get the file. I hope you get idea, guys, about this quick banner. It's a quick designer tool, and it's giving you a very small solution. If only if you need to create social media ads campaign or display banners, then only you need this quick banner. That means you can design your banners very quickly by using this quick banner. So if you're a designer who works to create social media ads campaign or social media banners, then I think you will be needed this tool to design your banners very quickly. And I will give the URL of this deal, guys, in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on quick banners lifetime deal. Also, the pricing is very affordable, and it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.